secondary education major in English and graduated cum laude. And because of God's help and her hard work, she became a licensed professional teacher last September 2015. She started her profession at Cebu Globalization as English as secondary language.
Despite the problems, obstacles they made it to become. Of course, let us also recognize the people behind your success. First, we have your teachers. Know how selflessly held your young minds to push you to your limits and let them grow out in your comfort zone. Palakpakan po nato sila. Yes, their guidance, dedication, and compassion is remarkable. Your proud and supportive parents. So, palakpakan natin yung mga gitikanan, no? Okay, my gratitude for choosing Quezon National High School as an educational institution, no? Okay, and for your help extended whenever we need them. Nasa inyong mga suporta. Salamat kaayo. And to the PTA officials, palakpakan po natin sila. We have been very supportive from the very beginning. And of course, no, at kung palakpakan natin ang mga student teachers, no, sila po na nagtabang sa declaration. O palakpakan po natin sila. Okay, see, dito tayo atong declaration. Each one of you plays a vital role to the success of these momentous events. May this will serve as a reminder of the impact of your efforts and the importance of recognition. Today, we celebrate your success. But before I end this short message, I will share to you a story about a farmer who owns a different kind of animals. Sinayo sa kamag-uuma nga nagkaan siya mga kakayupan. Dubutan na kayong donkey. A horse na lang for localization. Okay, kanina farmer, one day, ang uskiyang horse, ihang kabayo, nahulog dito sa hole, sige na, bangal. Okay, and then, so nahulog sa kabayo, ang katong maguang farmer, nag-uol siya pag-ayo, no? Nag-uol siya, nahulog. Siyempre, mahal naman, di ba? Mahal kayo ng mga kayo. So, nag-uol siya. O nagpanahon na siya, wala sa iyang himuon. Kaya nahulog man ang iyang kabayo sa bangal. Sa dugo niyang hula-hula, iana siya, ay, piguan naman po niya akong kabayo. Pwede na lang niya, ako na rin ilubong kay. Wala din ko yung hula-hula, saan ko nila pagkuha na naman lalo ang kayo ang bangal. So, mga to, hadi-hadayon, nangita siya ang mga kauban, ihang mga amigo, para ilahan na lang ilubong, nalita sila pala, para ilahan na sa kamuukan ang maong kabayo. O sa dihanan na, so ilahan